Hello, everyone. My name is Charles Johnson, and welcome to my company site. So, CJ Full Body Virtual Fitness. So, the purpose of my website is to provide a site for my clients and also future clients, so they can just come and see what our our what my company is mainly about. So here I provide a section about me to tell how I got started, pretty much my background, entails exactly why um, I wanted to start this company. It gives a little about my athletic background and my coaching background that I had. On this page, I provide my company's description. This is pretty much this page for the clients that want to know more about what we do and what we have to offer. So this will be the page that they will visit. I also provide a link that provide our contact information. So if you want to get in contact with us, all you had to do was put in your name, your email, and just write a little message, and then we'll be able to get back to you. We also provide our telephone number and everything on this site and our social media pages. So also on my site, I like to provide like little updates about what's going on, like stuff that's new. Like as you can see, I teamed up with Deep Sea Supplements. I wanted to provide this for my clients, and also this will be another site that tracks new clients. We provide a free virtual fitness boot camp. So this is mainly to track our new clients, just so they can get like a free experience, a free trial, and yeah. So we provide new updates on what's going on with our company. So that's pretty much it. So thank you for visiting my site.